How to live chat with Shein customer service. First things first is open up on your Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the application. This is just to ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Shein app, so you will not have any problems in the future. First things first is open up your Shein account and ensure that you log in successfully. Now to coordinate with their customer service, just simply head to the Me tab, the lower right portion of your screen, and then you see 5 options there that says customer service, check-in, service center, free trial center, and affiliate. Now, of course, choose on customer service, scroll down once again, and then just simply tap on customer service once again. So as you can see, we have now access to the inbox pages. Now just simply type in or provide a brief reason why you would like to get um, contacted or to get into a customer support. So, for example, you would like to have a return on refunds, just simply to follow on the on-screen prompts till you would be redirected to a live customer support agent. And that's basically it. That's how you live chat with Shein customer service.